Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video, Undertale. We're continuing that basically right after. You missed basically, I just beat him basically. Or it's fair turn. Didn't even attack him. Because I'm trying to get pacifist. I don't care about true pacifist, just pacifist. Because true pacifist is way too hard. And I already put it in hard mode, which by naming myself Card, it makes it go in hard mode. Yeah, I realized the third video actually didn't have any audio. So I deeply apologize for that, folks. Sorry about that. So enjoy Undertale Part 4. My friend who I was funny will remain stagnant. What should you say? Let's be friends. What a loser. You know what? Now, let's be friends.
Really? You want to be friends with me? Well then, I guess we can make an allowance for you. We haven't even had our first date. And I've already managed to hit the friend zone.
Who knew that all I needed to do was make pals? Was to give people awful puzzles and fight them. You taught me a lot, human. I hereby grant you permission to pass through. I'll give you the directions to the surface. Continue when you reach the end of the cavern. Then when you reach the cavern, across the barrier, that's about to give a consent ground. Anything can enter through it, but nothing can exit. Except with a powerful soul. Like you! That's why the king wants to acquire your soul. Open the barrier with soul power. Then, us monsters can return to the surface. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. What was that saying? What was that, Papyrus? Here's the exit. You have to pass to the king's castle. The king of all monsters. He's a big fuzzy pushover. Everybody loves that guy. I'm certain if you just say, "Excuse me, Mr. Dreamer, can I please go home?" He'll guide you right to the barrier himself. Anyway, that's enough talking. I'll be at home being a cool friend. Feel free to come by and have that date. Can Papyrus just levitate? Oh, what's happening? Oh, geez. Okay, there we go. That fixed it, apparently. Okay, well, apparently that fixed it. Alright. Well, let's continue going down the hallway then. Oh, looks like we're at Waterfall now. If you don't know what, I plan to just do. Oh my god. The sound of rushing water fills you with determination. Stay here. Oh hey. Hey Sans. What? Have you seen a guy with two jobs before? Fortunately, two jobs means twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to grill race. You want to come? Yeah, sure. Well, if you insist, I'll promise I'll be away from my work. Over here. I know a shortcut. Oh, okay. Fast shortcut, huh? Hey, everyone. Hey. Hi. Hey, Sans. Hi, Sans. Greetings, Sans. Hey, Sansy. Hey, Sans. Weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least in a half an hour. You must be thinking of brunch. Here, I want to get comfy. Whoops. Watch where you sit down. Sometimes Mutas put whoopee cushions under the seat. Anyway, let's order. What do you want? Fries? I think I'll pick burger. Hey, that sounds pretty good. Really, we'll have a double order of burg. So, what do you think of my brother? Cool. Of course he's cool. You'd be cool if you wore that out. If you wore that outfit every day. He'd only take that thing off if he absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that I mean he wears it in the shower. Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Yeah, sure. Bon appetit! You tip the ketchup. The cap falls off and the ketchup in your bottle pours onto your food. Whoops. Forget about it. You can have mine. I'm not hungry anyway. See, scratch his butt. Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree for 5 minutes. Tries real hard. I like how he's trying to be a part of the royal guard. One day, he went to the house and the head of the royal guard and begged her to let him be in there. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day, he woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him warrior training. It's still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Dan, have you ever heard of a talking flower? Yes. So you know all about it. The echo flower. They're all over the marsh. Say something to them, they repeat it over and over. What about it? Well, the flower told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes, when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. Well, that was a long break. Can't believe I let you pull away from my work for that long. Oh, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? It's one time. No, just kidding. Really, put it on my tab. By the way, I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Okay, thanks, Sans. Oh, I'm all the way back here now. Okay, it's fine. He's just gonna follow me. Don't worry, I'll go on that date with you later, Papyrus. I'll be back. Trust me. And the flower he must be talking about. That flower, it must be, that flower, it must be Flowey, right? Flowey the flower. Person who tried to kill us in the middle of the game, and he's like, you know what's going on, don't you? I honestly just didn't trust him. Yeah, I made it. Oh. Hi, Unkind. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight him? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard in time, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself? But I'm dying. You don't have to destroy them. You see. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. No. Oh no. I'm dying. It was close. Oh. Oh. You see the way she's staring at you? That was awesome!
I'm so jealous. What, did you get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Oh, you okay, kid? Alright, I'll see you later.
Think that's what we're supposed to do? Oh, that's cool. Oh, what's this? Arm flexes in. I'm gonna flee. I like the cute little legs that design that you walk away. Huh? Why is there such epic music for this? Music is so loud. I have to turn that down. The music is so loud. Oh my god, it's so loud. Okay, wait. How exactly do I get across this, though? What does the sign say? Oh, yeah, I think if I grab it and if I grab it, go down here and can I do it? Aw, I can't. That might be it. Two. I think I'm gonna have to start, I think I'll meet you guys back whenever I actually beat this puzzle, because I have no idea how to do this. Alright, well, guess I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye, and like, and just watch my videos generally for more of this content. Bye-bye.